Okay, it's time we stop letting skincare myths ruin our glow. Today, I am busting 5 most common skincare lies with real science, so you finally know what is true and what is trash. Let's glow smart, not hard. Hi, my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Immaculate. If you are just seeing this channel for the first time, please do well to support by subscribing to this channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for the support. Please watch this video to the end, give it a big thumbs up, share, and watch till the end because this video is packed with so much knowledge. It's packed with so much exposition about the skincare lies that have been told over the years. So if this is something you're interested in, please stick around. Number one skincare myth is natural ingredients are always safer than chemicals. That's not true. Poisonous ivy is natural, but it is harsh, it is harmful. Lab ingredients are well tested for safety. Everything is chemical in science, even water. So what matters is the formulation and the concentration, not whether it is natural or synthetic. Take for example, vitamin C and lemon juice. Vitamin C is well tested and stabilized, while lemon juice is harsh and unstable. The second myth is you do not need sunscreen if you're indoors or dark skin. The fact is, UV rays penetrate windows. Blue light from screen also affects the skin. Study shows that UV rays penetrate glass and it contributes to premature aging. So this affects the skin. Dark skin has melanin, yes, but it is also at the risk of hyperpigmentation. So if you're dark skinned, you also need sunscreen. If you're indoors, you also need sunscreen. The tip is you have to use sunscreen at least SPF 30 daily. The third myth is oily skin do not need moisturizer. That's wrong. If you do not moisturize your skin, the skin thinks it is in the Sahara Desert, so it even produces more oil. That is why you end up looking shiny and you break out more often. So the trick is you go for a lightweight gel-based moisturizer. This is going to keep you hydrated and it is not going to leave you with that greasy, messy, that messy grease. So the thing is, your skin will be balanced and it will glow and also it won't look oily. That is the trick for oily skin girlies. Number four skincare myth is exfoliating every day leads to fast glowing skin. It is important to exfoliate your skin, but over exfoliating leads to damaged skin barrier and this will cause sensitivity and redness. Science has it that the skin renews itself after 28 days. It takes 28 days cycle to renew itself. So you need to exfoliate just once, 2 times, or 3 times, depending on how your skin can tolerate it. But the minimum is three. Please do not ever exfoliate your skin once, 2 times, 3 times per week is enough. Take for example products like AHAs and BHAs or scrub. But if you over exfoliate, you are exposed to damaged skin barrier or skin redness or even skin sensitivity. Exfoliating is important, but do not over exfoliate. I hope you understand. Okay. The fifth and the final skincare myth is more expensive products equals to better results. The fact is, price does not equal effectiveness. Many affordable products also contain the same active ingredients as the luxury brands. What matters in science is the concentration of the active and not the brand name. Take for example, this ethylene niacinamide serum, this ethylene rosehip niacinamide serum is very affordable. It ranges between 5,000 to 7,000 naira. and it is also very, very effective. It is a very good, potent niacinamide product. And also this Tiam Good Molecule and Noa Niacinamide Serum, these are way more expensive. They are ranging from 18,000 naira, 20,000 naira, 25,000 naira, and above. What matters is the content. What matters is the active ingredient. That's the concentration of the active ingredients, not the price. I've recommended this Rose Hip Niacinamide Serum to so many people, and it is very good. I am even going to get it. I use Tiam. I've been using Tiam for a long time, but I'll try to switch and change to this rose hip because I recommended it to so many people and they always come back with testimonials. I mean, so this is to tell you that it is not about the price of the product. What matters is the ingredients, content, the concentration. So, with these few points, I hope you are going to know that choose products that work for your skin, not basically because they are expensive or they are too cheap per se. So let's correct that narrative and always go for products that suits our skin concerns. So there you have it. 5 skincare myths busted with real science. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's glow smart, not hard. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.